Hello friends, welcome to Rapix. My name is Ravi Shankar. In this video, I'll show you how to download your income tax returns from the new income tax portal. Go to incometax.gov.in website. Don't worry, I have given the link in the description box also. If you click on that link, it will redirect you to the site. Here you can see login button, click on it. Enter your PAN as a user ID and click on continue. You will be landed on this page and you can see your PAN here. Click on this checkbox, enter your password, then continue. On this page, scroll down to locate the skip button. Click on it. It will redirect you to the dashboard. Here go to e-file, income tax returns, then view filed returns. Here on this page you can see all the returns filed by you. If you want to download the entire return form, then click on this download form. Instead, if you want to download only ITR acknowledgement, then use this download receipt link. I'll download my income tax form for assessment year 2021 and I'll show you how it looks like. Here I have downloaded my income tax form. If you open it, this is a complete form what you have filed in the relevant assessment year. This is my ITR for assessment year 2021. That means financial year 2019-20. Here you can see every information what we have filled in for the relevant financial year. Entire data you can see. Basically, if you want reference what you have filled in the last year, then you can download this form and check it. Whereas ITR acknowledgement is the proof that you have actually submitted your ITR to the income tax department. How to download that ITR acknowledgement I will show you now. Here, if you click on download receipt, you can download your income tax acknowledgement. Here I have downloaded my ITR acknowledgement for assessment year 2021. So this is the ITR acknowledgement for assessment year 2021. That means financial year 19-20. Unlike your ITR form, ITR acknowledgement will give you only summary of your total income and taxes paid. Here you can see your personal information, then summary of your taxable income, final taxes paid or payable. That's it. If you want to furnish for the purpose of getting loans from financial institutions, this is the form you need to submit. No need to submit entire ITR form to the financial institutions. Here one more option is there, export to Excel. If you use this link, then summary of all your ITR data will be downloaded in the form of Excel. Here you can see assessment year for which you have filed your return, then acknowledgement numbers, then filing dates. All this data can be downloaded in single Excel file. That's it guys for today. If you have any queries relating to this topic, please comment. We will meet with another interesting video very soon. Thank you for watching.